So I wanted to take a few minutes with this video to talk about 3 interesting PlayStation 5 stories, and if you could hit that like button on the video, thank you to those that do it, and as always, it's very much appreciated. Now, the stories I want to dive into today includes a graphics upgrade 3.0 now live on PlayStation 5, Helldivers 2 Mech and new content update, and the PlayStation Network Store lawsuit. First, yes or no, should Final Fantasy VII Rebirth go to Xbox or not? There's been this debate on X about Final Fantasy VII Rebirth being a PlayStation 5 exclusive, and I'm curious where you guys lie on this topic, if it should go to Xbox or remain PlayStation 5 exclusive, and if you want to play the game, you should just get a PlayStation 5. So comment below, yes or no, if Final Fantasy VII Rebirth should go to Xbox or not. Let me know down in the comments below. Now, diving into the first story of the video, the PlayStation Network Store lawsuit. Reading from Twisted Voxel, a class action lawsuit against unfair PlayStation Store prices has been granted the court's legal order to proceed. The lawsuit in question against unfair PlayStation Store prices was filed back in the UK in November of 2023. As per the lawsuit, Sony Interactive Entertainment abused its dominant position by requiring digital games and add-ons to be bought and sold only via the PlayStation Store at unfair prices, which charges a 30% commission to developers and publishers. Since then, the lawsuit has received permission from the court to proceed with the collective proceedings order. The 90,000 or so people who were a part of the collective claim have until April 25th, 2024 to opt in or opt out of the CPO. As per the legal notice issued at the direction of the Competition Appeal Tribunal, all PlayStation users who between the period of August 19th, 2016 and August 19th, 2022 made any purchases of digital games or add-on content via the PlayStation Store in the UK may benefit from this proposed claim. So I'm for Sony opening up digital game purchases to other places so players can get better deals. Right now, when you buy physical games, you can check out offers from various stores. You can even buy it from somebody else used. But if you're going digital, you're pretty much stuck to the PlayStation Store. There are some places that sell digital keys right now for PlayStation games, but the selection is limited. While this is only in the UK, I hope it pushes for some changes that allow purchasing digital keys from anywhere once again, because this used to be an actual thing that was normal. Now, diving into the second story of the video, the Helldivers 2 Mech and Content Update. Reading from Gaming Bolt, developer Arrowhead Game Studios said prior to Helldivers 2's release that it would be receiving pilotable mechs as part of a free post-launch content update at some point, and it seems that that time is near. Just last week, a data mining leak found evidence pointing to Helldivers 2 adding mechs and reintroducing the Illuminate faction from the first game, and now even more evidence has emerged for the former. Over on Reddit, players have been posting off-screen gameplay recordings showing fully pilotable mechs in the game, and the gameplay shown actually looks quite polished already, suggesting that Arrowhead might be gearing up to add mechs to the game imminently. Sure enough, that's what a developer from the studio has suggested on the game's official Discord server as well, caught by Games Radar, saying that mechs have been good to go for a while, though they still continue to receive some finishing touches by members of the development team who can't assist with the game server issues, which as of last weekend have started easing up significantly. So I saw the video of the mech suit. There's actually multiple videos out now as suggested by the article. I saw 2 of them. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun using this thing. I just wonder if it'll be OP. I'm sure they're going to balance it some way, but from the videos, it looks pretty powerful. I'm excited to use it, but we need some balance with that. You know, make the actually, no, forget it. The automatons need some damage. But beyond that, the Reddit user who leaked the mech video also mentioned new weapons set to come as well, like an energy RPG coming, a meteorite that hits like the nuke, a group of Helldivers you can call in to support you, NPCs, and more. The game's already a lot of fun, and it seems like they have a lot of content yet to come to the game, so I'm excited for all of that. But you guys let me know if you're playing Helldivers 2 or not. Let me know down in the comments below, and if you're enjoying the video so far, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community on our way to 150,000 subscribers. And now diving into the final story of the video, Graphics Upgrade 3.0 is now live on PlayStation 5. Reading from PlayStation Universe, Massive Entertainment has released the Avatar Frontiers of Pandora Title Update 3 patch notes, which brings a wealth of fixes to the game as well as improved FSR 3 support, the first PlayStation 5 game to use the technology. So this is what it says in the patch notes: all platforms, improved AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution, FSR 3 artifacts. So FSR 3 launched last year, and we've been waiting to see which game gets it first in the console space because it's been on several games on the PC end. Now, looking at the text here mentioned in the update, improvements to FSR 3 artifacts sounds like it's just the upscaling aspect of FSR, which is from FSR 2, so the resolution aspect. The real thing people care about with FSR 3 though is frame generation, which I don't know if it's a part of this upgrade on the console side. Frame generation is AMD tech where frames are created within frames to give a smoother image. It doesn't improve latency, so this isn't the actual performance of the game improving, it's just the picture quality. So if you're playing a game at 60 FPS using frame generation to bump it to 90 FPS or 120 FPS, it'll look like it's running at 90 FPS or 120 FPS, but it won't feel like it's running at 90 FPS or 120 FPS on the handling side, whether that's on keyboard or on your controller. Still, of course, a big step on the console side. Hopefully this means more games will support FSR 3, but you guys let me know if you've played Avatar Frontiers of Pandora or not. Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please hit that like button, as it always helps, and subscribe if you're new. I got new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and now I'll check you guys out on the next one. And welcome back to the after show. This is the part of the video where we have a little fun down in the comments below. If you're old, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. For today's thing, what I want you guys to do is to body, obliterate, destroy, and overall harass the comment section with it is Final Fantasy weekend. Final Fantasy 7 Rebirth just launched yesterday. I'm excited to start playing that game if I can get away from Helldivers 2. But if you're jumping on the game this weekend and are excited for it, destroy the comment section with it is Final Fantasy weekend. And I'll definitely heart those comments like I always do because I appreciate everybody who stays to the end of my videos. And now I'll check you guys out on the next one.
We're hidden in the mist. Nothing is as it seems. Here lives the Kamatiri, a clan of healers with their own dark reasons to stay hidden.